There are so many chemicals. I never know which one to use where. Every bottle looks different, smells different. Training new staff was a nightmare. Please help us.
When will we ever get rid of these stains? No matter how many times we wash, the linens still look yellow. These stains just don't go away. We've tried every chemical, but nothing really works. I told you yesterday, this standard is not good enough.
I am trying, Chef.
Trying is not enough. Get this place spotless.
It's time for a change.
And then, here comes the Karvi effect.
Now it's so easy. Karvi products are color-coded and simple to use. No confusion, no mistakes, and every room looks perfect.
With Karvi, cleaning is simple and safe, no harsh smell, no irritation, just a spotless kitchen every...
Karvi's impact didn't stop at the laundry. It transformed the entire property.
We can breathe easy now. No harsh smells, no irritation.
Before Karvi, training new staff on chemicals was a confusing, stressful process. Now, the system is so clear.
My job is zero compromise on hygiene, but the clutter was driving me crazy. With Karvi, we now maintain our...
Before Karvi, washing was a gamble. We never knew if a tough stain would come out. After using Karvi, we have 100% confidence.
From stains to shine, every room is perfect. The Karvi way.